Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome to Xiaomi Insider. Today we're talking about Apple's struggles in China and how it's losing its grip on the market. So, you know how Apple used to be the go-to brand for premium smartphones in China? Well, that's not the case anymore. According to a recent report, Apple's sales in China dropped by 2.3% in their second fiscal quarter, which is quite a significant decline. And it's not just the sales that are slumping. The company is also struggling with regulatory pressure and tariffs. Now, what's driving this shift towards domestic brands like Huawei, Xiaomi, and Oppo? It's simple. These Chinese brands are offering innovative designs, including foldable devices, at competitive prices. But that's not all. They're also using AI-powered features to stay ahead of the game. But Apple isn't sitting idly by. They're planning to launch their own AI services in China later this year, but analysts say it might be too late to recover lost momentum. And with tariffs adding another layer of complexity, it's clear that Apple is facing some significant challenges. One interesting fact: did you know that half of iPhones sold in the US are now manufactured in India? That's a major shift for Apple, and it shows they're trying to diversify their production to mitigate the impact of trade tensions. But even with this move, Apple still faces some tough competition from local brands like Xiaomi. Speaking of which, how has Xiaomi fared in China? Well, according to recent reports, the brand is doing quite well. With innovative designs and aggressive pricing, Xiaomi has captured a significant share of the Chinese market. And with their AI-powered features, they're staying ahead of the curve. So, what can we learn from Apple's struggles in China? It's clear that consumers are looking for something new, and local brands like Xiaomi are delivering. But it's also important to note that this shift towards domestic brands isn't just about technology, it's also about consumer behavior. As we move forward, one thing is certain: the Chinese market is becoming increasingly competitive, and Apple will need to adapt if they want to stay ahead of the game. That's all for today on Xiaomi Insider. Thanks for tuning in.